Hello friends, a happy Diwali to all of you. This comes as a safety message for a safe Diwali. I'm going to give you some quick tips for the coming Diwali festival. Let it be spreading smiles all over. Let it bring all the happiness. 2020 has been a rough year for all of us due to Corona, but let this Diwali be the best ever. And how will it be the best? By being safe. So I'm going to give you some safety tips on Diwali this year. So let me start with the first one. So always buy firecrackers from a licensed shop and always check the expiry of the firecrackers. Number 2, always store the firecrackers in a non-inflammable safety box and not in bags or any pockets. Then toddlers and babies are very helpless as far as firecrackers or burns are concerned, so never leave them unattended this Diwali. Let it be beautiful. No risks should be taken. Don't leave them unattended at any point of time. Next, prefer only open spaces or fields for bursting of the firecrackers so as to avoid any mishaps. Next, first aid kit is most important, which should definitely have a Silver X ointment, and additionally buckets full of water and sand are very important to be kept in the place. Next, fire extinguisher can be a wonderful boon if it's around. Definitely keep it charged. God forbid you might not use it, but still keep it around. Then about the clothing and what you're going to wear on Diwali day. Clothing has to be doesn't has to be loose. It has to be snugly fitting. It has to be cotton. It should not be synthetic or nylon clothes so that it doesn't stick in case any burns happen. Then your feet and your toes, everything should be well covered, especially for the kids, because they have the habit of jumping into these crackers and jumping over the chakris and all. So you better keep them well covered, because you won't be able to stop them once they are attracted towards those beautiful lights. So keep them covered with full sleeves, cotton and good footwear. Next is you need to leave you cannot leave your kids unattended at any point of time. Let them burst the crackers only in your presence. Discard the used crackers only into a water bucket. If some cracker doesn't go off, don't follow it. Leave it, because it might give away anytime. Always burst the crackers at an arm's length, because it can burst or it can cause burns to your hand. And at the end, in case any emergency, our numbers are there. We are there to help you. I am Dr. T.S. Nagpal. I am a laser cosmetic surgeon at Nagpal Hospital, Bathinda. In case you need me, I'll be there to help. Happy and safe Diwali. Bye-bye.